If your Android phone doesn't have these 5 apps in 2026, you're seriously missing out. From daily tools to hidden game changers, these are the must-haves everyone is installing right now. At number 5, there's an app that's quietly taking over online shopping in the USA, and most people don't realize how big it actually is. Imagine scrolling through thousands of products, fashion, home decor, beauty, shoes, even handmade items, and finding prices that feel almost unreal. That's exactly what this app is doing. We're talking about Temu, rated 4.2 stars with over 11 million reviews and more than 1 billion installs worldwide. Yeah, that's massive. What makes it stand out isn't just variety, it's how easy everything feels. You tap, browse, and check out in seconds with a smooth, secure process. Plus, they push heavy deals every single day, so there's always something new popping up. Another thing users love: free shipping options and a 90-day return window on many items, which makes trying new products way less risky. And here's the reason it's climbing rankings: people aren't just shopping. They're discovering random, useful, and even viral products they didn't know they needed. At number 4, this is probably sitting on your phone right now. But most people are barely using its full power. We're talking about Gmail, rated 4.5 stars with over 10 billion installs worldwide. Here's what makes it way more than just email. You can jump between multiple accounts instantly, search anything in seconds, and it even blocks over 9% of spam before it hits your inbox. But the real game changer? Built-in AI help that can write emails for you, clean up your inbox, and even pull details from your files in seconds. You can also unsubscribe from junk emails with one tap and add events straight to your calendar without leaving your inbox. And if you're on Wear OS, your emails are literally on your wrist. Number 3, ever opened your phone and still felt completely lost, even with GPS on? That's exactly where Google Maps steps in and saves the day. This app isn't just popular, it's massive, with over 10 billion installs and a solid 4.5 rating from millions of users worldwide. But here's the real reason people keep it on their phone. It doesn't just show directions, it thinks ahead for you. Need the fastest route? It checks live traffic in real time. Running late? It automatically reroutes you before you even hit a jam. Taking the bus or train? You get live updates so you're never guessing. Even walking or biking feels easier with turn-by-turn guidance right on your screen. And it goes way beyond navigation. You can preview streets before you go, check how busy a place is, and even explore restaurants, shops, or hidden spots with real reviews and photos. Lost signal? Offline maps have your back. It basically turns your phone into a smart travel assistant that knows the world better than you do. Now, number 2, ever wonder why almost everyone you know has one app open all day? No matter where they are, it's Spotify, and it's not even close. With a 4.4 rating and over 1 billion installs, this isn't just a music app. It's basically your personal soundtrack for life. The moment you open it, you get access to over 80 million songs and millions of podcasts, everything from chart-topping hits to deep cuts you didn't even know you needed. And here's where it gets interesting. Spotify doesn't just play music, it learns you, your taste, your mood, your habits, and then starts building playlists that feel weirdly accurate. Discover Weekly, Release Radar, even AI-powered recommendations that keep getting better the more you listen. You can create your own playlists, share them with friends, or just hit play and let it run in the background all day. And if you go premium, things unlock fast, no ads, offline downloads, high-quality audio, and full control over what you play. Music, podcasts, even audiobooks in select regions, all in one place. Finally, the number 1, imagine losing your phone right now. And every photo you've ever taken just disappears. That's exactly why millions rely on Google Photos. It's rated 4.5 stars with over 52 million reviews and installed on billions of devices worldwide. The moment you open it, everything gets backed up automatically. so your memories stay safe even if your phone doesn't. And here's the fun part. You can delete storage stress forever. It gives you 15 GB of free cloud space across your Google account. Editing is crazy simple too. Remove unwanted objects, sharpen blurry shots, and fix lighting in seconds. Plus, you can search your photos just by typing what you remember, like road trip sunset, and boom, it shows up instantly. If your gallery is a mess, this might be the cleanest upgrade you'll ever make. Which one are you installing first? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more.